Welcome back, AI explorers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in artificial intelligence, Google's ambitious answer to the AI revolution. If you've been curious about what Google has been building to compete with ChatGPT and other advanced AI systems, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll uncover the power of Gemini, Google's flagship AI model, and explore what sets it apart in a rapidly evolving landscape. Get ready to discover how Gemini is shaping the future of AI competition and innovation. Gemini represents Google's most significant leap in artificial intelligence since they introduced the transformer architecture years ago. But Gemini is more than just another language model, it's a bold vision for the future of AI. Imagine a system that's natively multimodal, highly capable, and deeply integrated across Google's vast ecosystem. Gemini is Google's answer to the question: what happens when the company that invented the modern AI architecture decides to build their ultimate AI model? Let's see how this vision is coming to life. So, what exactly is Gemini? At its core, Gemini is Google's largest and most advanced AI model family, designed from the ground up to be natively multimodal. This means it can seamlessly understand and work with text, code, images, audio, and video all within a single system. Unlike other models that add multimodal features later, Gemini was built to handle multiple data types from the very start. With three distinct sizes, Ultra, Pro, and Nano, Gemini is deeply integrated with Google services and delivers state-of-the-art reasoning across benchmarks. The real breakthrough with Gemini lies in its native multimodality. While many AI models bolt on new capabilities after their initial launch, Gemini was designed from day one to understand the relationships between different types of information. This means it can process and reason across text, images, audio, and video naturally, just like humans do. The vision is clear: create AI that understands the world through multiple senses and types of information, providing a more holistic and integrated understanding. Gemini comes in three main variants, each tailored for different needs. Gemini Ultra is the largest and most capable, designed for highly complex tasks and enterprise-level research. Gemini Pro strikes a balance between performance and scalability, powering services like Bard and other Google products. Finally, Gemini Nano is the most efficient, running directly on mobile devices like the Pixel 8 Pro, with a focus on privacy and offline capabilities. This strategy ensures that there's a right-sized Gemini model for every scenario, from advanced research to on-the-go assistance. Let's break down the three Gemini variants. Gemini Ultra is the powerhouse, built for scientific research and advanced analysis. It delivers state-of-the-art performance and is ideal for enterprise and research use. Gemini Pro is optimized for a wide range of tasks, powering chatbots, content creation, and coding assistance. It's available through APIs and Google services. Gemini Nano is designed for efficiency, running on mobile devices with privacy-focused processing and offline capabilities. Whether you need advanced research or quick on-device help, Gemini has you covered. The brilliance of Gemini's approach is in right-sizing the model for every scenario. Ultra handles the most demanding tasks in research and enterprise, Pro is versatile for broad applications, and Nano brings AI directly to your pocket. This flexibility means that whether you're a scientist, developer, or everyday user, there's a Gemini model tailored to your needs. It's a strategic move that ensures AI is accessible, efficient, and powerful wherever it's needed. What truly sets Gemini apart is its native multimodality. Unlike models that require separate systems for different input types, Gemini is trained on multiple data types from the start. This allows it to understand the relationships between text, images, audio, and video, and to reason across them naturally. The result is a more coherent and integrated understanding, making Gemini a game-changer in the world of AI. Gemini's capabilities span a wide range of modalities. It excels at text understanding, offering advanced reasoning and analysis. Its image comprehension is top-notch, allowing it to grasp context, relationships, and details. Gemini also processes audio, recognizing and understanding speech, and can analyze video with temporal and scene comprehension. On top of that, It generates code in multiple programming languages, making it a versatile tool for developers and creators alike. To see Gemini's multimodality in action, imagine giving it a photo of a math problem. Gemini can read the problem from the image, understand the mathematical concepts involved, solve the problem step by step, and then explain its reasoning in clear text. This seamless integration across modalities demonstrates Gemini's unique strength, a more coherent and integrated understanding compared to models that simply stitch together separate systems. Gemini isn't just innovative, it's a performance leader. On academic benchmarks, Gemini outperforms GPT-4 on 30 out of 32 tests, excelling in math, science, reasoning, and coding. It sets new standards for multimodal understanding and delivers strong results across a diverse range of tasks. These achievements highlight Gemini's ability to tackle complex problems and provide accurate, reliable responses. Gemini's standout performance is evident in several key areas. On the MMLU, Massive Multitask Language Understanding, benchmark, it scores an impressive 90%. Its reasoning abilities are advanced, handling complex mathematical and logical challenges. Gemini is also competitive with specialized coding models and leads the way in multimodal understanding. These achievements mean better problem solving, more accurate answers, and broader knowledge coverage for users. While benchmarks are important, real-world performance is what truly matters. Gemini's advanced capabilities translate into better problem solving, more reliable responses, and enhanced reasoning in everyday applications. Its broad knowledge coverage ensures that users get accurate information across a wide range of topics, making it a valuable tool for both professionals and casual users. One of Gemini's biggest strengths is its deep integration with the Google ecosystem. Bard Advanced, powered by Gemini Ultra, offers advanced conversational AI with deep research and analysis capabilities. Gemini also enhances Google Search, integrates with workspace tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and powers features on Android and Pixel devices. For developers, Gemini Pro is available through Google AI Studio and cloud services, with customization and fine-tuning options. Gemini isn't just a standalone product, it's becoming the AI brain that powers Google's entire ecosystem. From search and productivity tools to mobile devices and cloud services, Gemini's capabilities are being woven into every corner of Google's offerings. This deep integration ensures that users benefit from smarter, more capable tools across all their favorite Google products. Gemini is already making a difference in real-world applications, starting with education and learning. It offers advanced research assistance, helps explain complex problems, and creates interactive learning experiences. With its multimodal capabilities, Gemini can generate educational content that combines text, images, and even audio or video, making learning more engaging and effective for students and educators alike. In the creative world, Gemini is a powerful ally. It supports content creation across formats, assists with design and ideation, and even helps with video analysis and editing. Its ability to work across modalities enables cross-modal creative projects, where text, images, and audio come together seamlessly. For creators, this means new possibilities and more efficient workflows. Developers benefit greatly from Gemini's advanced code generation and review capabilities. It can help with technical documentation, assist in system design, and debug complex issues. Gemini's support for multiple programming languages and its ability to understand context make it a valuable tool for both novice and experienced developers, streamlining the development process. Gemini is also transforming business and analysis. It excels at data analysis and visualization, synthesizes market research, processes documents, and supports decision-making systems. By understanding and integrating information from multiple sources, Gemini helps businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions and stay ahead in a competitive landscape. In scientific research, Gemini shines by assisting with literature review and analysis, interpreting data across formats, generating hypotheses, and making cross-disciplinary connections. Its ability to process and reason across text, images, and datasets makes it an invaluable tool for researchers tackling complex scientific questions. Gemini is accessible to a wide range of users. For personal and learning use, Gemini Pro is available for free through Bard, though with limited features and capacity. For those needing more power, Gemini Advanced Ultra is available via subscription, offering higher usage limits and priority features. Enterprises can deploy custom solutions with enhanced security and dedicated support, while developers have API access through Google AI Studio for integration and fine-tuning. For developers, Gemini offers robust API access through Google AI Studio. This enables integration with Google Cloud Services, provides guides and documentation, and allows for custom model fine-tuning. Whether you're building new applications or enhancing existing ones, Gemini's developer tools make it easier to harness the power of advanced AI. Gemini is not a static product, it's continuously improving. Google regularly updates the model, adding new capabilities and modalities, improving safety and alignment, and boosting efficiency and performance. This commitment to ongoing enhancement ensures that Gemini stays at the forefront of AI innovation and continues to deliver value to users. Looking ahead, Gemini will become even more deeply integrated into the Google ecosystem and beyond. Expect to see more third-party applications, cross-platform availability, and specialized solutions for different industries. This expanded integration will make Gemini a central part of how people and businesses interact with AI in their daily lives. The future of Gemini is filled with promise. Google is working on enhancing Gemini's reasoning and problem-solving abilities, boosting creativity and collaboration, and improving real-time interactions. Users can look forward to more personalized experiences and smarter AI tools that adapt to their needs, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Gemini is not just about Google, it's about pushing the entire AI field forward. By driving innovation through competition, Gemini encourages other companies to improve their models, resulting in better options for users everywhere. This healthy competition accelerates AI adoption and improvement, benefiting everyone in the long run. Gemini marks Google's serious entry into the advanced AI race. With its unique strengths in multimodality, integration, and scale, Gemini stands out as a formidable contender. The competition is fierce, but users ultimately benefit from having multiple capable AI options to choose from. The most exciting part? This is just the beginning of rapid innovation and improvement across all AI platforms. As the AI landscape evolves, competition between models like Gemini and others drives progress and innovation. This dynamic environment ensures that users have access to the best tools and technologies available. The ongoing race inspires new breakthroughs, making AI more powerful, accessible, and beneficial for everyone. Your interest and engagement play a crucial role in shaping the future of AI. By exploring different models, sharing feedback, and staying informed, you help drive the development of better, more useful AI tools. The AI ecosystem thrives on curiosity and collaboration, and every user contributes to its growth and improvement. In the end, AI competition doesn't just create winners, it creates better tools for everyone. Gemini's arrival signals a new era of innovation, where rapid improvement and healthy rivalry lead to smarter, more capable AI systems. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. The best is yet to come, and users everywhere stand to benefit from the ongoing evolution of artificial intelligence.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.